Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we're talking about something right in line with our theme for the day, the core essence of young metal. First, let's begin with its most essential virtue. Young metal governs refinement through pressure. Like a raw sword forged deep within the earth, young metal is not born complete. Its true value emerges only through heat, resistance, and challenge. Young metal people are naturally built to withstand stress, confrontation, and competition. When refined properly, they become sharp, decisive, and immensely effective, the kind of presence that cuts through confusion and gets things done without hesitation. As the yang counterpart of yin metal, yang metal is best symbolized by swords, axes, steel, and raw ore, materials that exist for action and purpose. Its strength does not lie in flexibility, but in precision and resolve. Yang metal brings order by cutting away excess, enforcing rules, and defining boundaries. In daily life, it corresponds to weapons, machinery, law, discipline, and systems that separate right from wrong with clarity. Personality traits, power shaped by pressure. From different angles, young metal reveals a series of striking contrasts. Young metal is decisive yet prone to recklessness. They act quickly and trust instinct over prolonged deliberation. When refined, this leads to powerful execution and leadership. When unrefined, it can result in impulsive decisions and unnecessary conflict. They are strong-willed yet inflexible. Once committed, retreat is difficult, like an axe already mid-swing. This gives them immense perseverance, but also makes it hard for them to accept alternative viewpoints or acknowledge mistakes. They appear controlled yet emotionally explosive. Metal is naturally cold, so young metal often looks calm, restrained, and dignified. However, under emotional heat or confrontation, anger can surface suddenly, clouding judgment and disrupting strategy. They are proud yet deeply self-critical. Image, competence, and respect matter greatly to young metal. High standards drive them to excel, but fear of failure can make them overly rigid or resistant to vulnerability. They are loyal yet unforgiving. Loyalty to friends, allies, and long-term relationships is unwavering. Betrayal cuts deeply, and forgiveness is rare. Wounds inflicted on young metal tend to leave permanent marks. Life and work performance, thriving under pressure. In the workplace, young metal performs best under strong pressure, competition, and clear objectives. They dislike slow processes, excessive discussion, and micromanagement, preferring direct action and visible results. Highly industrious and energetic, they may overlook details, making collaboration with detail-oriented partners essential. As leaders, they command authority naturally but must temper blunt communication to prevent friction and resistance. In relationships, young metal expresses care through action rather than words. Protection, loyalty, and justice define their emotional bonds. They expect the same commitment in return, and emotional neglect or betrayal can destabilize them deeply. Their main challenge lies in reacting too quickly, defending loved ones, or confronting perceived threats without fully understanding the situation. In daily life and wealth matters, young metal often takes contrarian or unconventional paths. When well refined, this boldness leads to remarkable success. When uncontrolled, it results in risky losses. Clear goals are essential. Without direction or pressure, young metal may become stagnant despite immense potential. Early challenges, discipline, and education are especially important, as reshaping hardened or rusted metal later in life requires far greater force. In essence, young metal is not designed for comfort or ease. It exists to be forged. With pressure, clarity, and emotional control, it becomes a master blade, precise, powerful, and indispensable. Without them, its strength dulls and turns inward.